probably not by ship.
Not by the ship.
Yeah.
That we'll be able to eat some, sleep over, and enjoy the nightlife. Yeah, much better.
Alright.
Thank you.
Enjoy it, right?
You doing a what?
A shots cup.
Oh, shots. Cup from where? Oh, that's your souvenir.
Shots. You want to see in here?
Yeah.
Short glasses.
Yeah.
Huh?
3 for 10, short glasses.
Let me see them.
Follow me.
Follow leader.
Follow me.
Hello.
All the strangers, guys. Come.
Alright.
All the strangers.
Yeah. Don't be a stranger, yeah, man. Sorry.
Baby.
Sorry.
Come on, come this way. Come.
The way there?
Right there.
No, here's something there.
No, that's my mom. I'm telling her.
Oh, she said.
Customers.
Oh, I think she said carry. Oh, so you were there, she?
That's my mom.
Oh, no, she said
listen,
come this way. So I think she tell her second.
Excuse me, I was telling her to add them out a little bit so you all can fit through.
Choose.
That's mine. I'll bring them right to you.
That you want?
What is the 3 for 10?
The shots cup. So the wrong one still.
Oh, this has got the.
No, trees are three of this. So you want any of these?
Oh, those are the ones.
No, choose. We just want one for
You get 3 for 10 or 1 for 5. And do you set a 3 for 20 or 1 for 10? Do you set a 15 or 1 for 10? It's just the same as these or these.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, church. You know, when I come here, oh, you know, say, look like I eat this. I come here one long time.
You know what that is?
Roll it for me, sick. I say anytime. See, I call it. Remember, I tell you, so I come here, I go. This, me. No, remember, I come here. A couple years ago, I say, I go. You like that one there?
Yeah.
No, you got a walking turtle years ago?
It was, I think, it was a turtle. You have turtle? A
It's a
turtle?
walking turtle right here.
A turtle is okay, no problem.
They just put a little design on it. They
No,
just
I
do it
come
with-
here years ago and see it. I'm saying if I find myself back here, I go hold it. So.
And I got one right here too. Blue.
Yeah, alright, well, I'm just
And I got t-shirts, kids and adults also. Those are 10.
These are 10?
That's good. And these sit right here are 5.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the real stones.
These are the real. These are the real stones.
That's mine.
Okay.
That's black on it, so the tiger.
Yeah, I like.
Yeah, you look like you go with the stone.
So these are the real ones.
He likes that.
This was
He was doing that.
about 10
Do
years
you have any
promise.
wooden guns? Because
That's right.
No. It's joke. We have that already.
I got one you can shoot him with also. It comes with a slingshot. It's a
Yeah,
slingshot.
No, we have one, man.
He
I
bought
just,
two of
she
those
laughed
last
after
time.
me, so that's why she asked.
How much is it for these?
Huh?
Ma'am, how much is it for them? Alright,
Alright, cool. We're going so. Carly, we'll walk through. We just walk.
Oh no, I don't think
Cuban cigars,
No, it's there.
Cuban cigars,
No.
t-shirts, tank tops.
I'm a bag behind this. We are talking about. Chocolate 3 for 10 on magnet refrigerator. I have a bag, so
The curry stop back there?
I know.
See some cigars?
No, man, there. Oh,
Trying to get a hat.
okay.
Oh, I was looking for chef
Oh, hat for chef?
because Michelle always brings him a hat.
Okay.
yes, man. I like the energy. This is the blue with the jeans. That's the gray. This is
The front? Alright, so. No, what, man?
Yes, it is.
No. If I'm not going, no problem, I'm just a walk. Eh? Sorry. So I say, you could have get off from somewhere else. Eh? No, so you could have just take a next stall.
The next stall. Yeah, that's fine.
So,
I'm coming, honey. I'm coming.
same teacup, but I just tell her try another. Just get another place to try.
You want to see something there, ma'am?
Sure, try something else again.
No, not me.
Come here, welcome.
Alright, let's just.
Yeah, so I just walk in. We're just walking right on, yeah? Alrighty. Hold on, come out the other side then.
I'll put it in my purse. You want me to put that in my purse?
Yeah.
Here.
But now we just go back through the sand, come out. So we just go back here and come out back the other side, eh?
We're going to be around there because we're going to be around there.
Huh? We gotta walk through this stuff.
Sunday. Just getting home. Yes, Sunday, honey.
No, the wife told me. The bank,
Excuse me. Excuse me there.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you. Am I fine what?
You like that one? You like the birthday deal, baby?
You want? So? Alright.
No, I'm not sure.
No, down the side now.
Down there?
Yeah, me just see that do a loop. Yeah. Sorry. All right, so we're out back. That's straw market.
Yes!
Looking in one foot, they don't even want to try. I'm still thinking that we were getting
Puerto Rico llamaron a esas cosas. ¿Por qué lo hizo?